Today we are breaking down Envessa Markets, a brand new CFD broker, and I want to give you the honest take on whether it deserves your deposit. Here is the common belief about new offshore brokers. They are built to extract wide spreads on the cheap tiers, premium features locked behind bigger deposits, a stripped-down platform unless you pay up. That is the standard offshore playbook. But Envessa Markets has done something different. There is one specific design choice they made that I had never seen on a broker this small, and once you spot it, the entire offer makes sense. In this video, I will walk you through the account tiers, the platform, the regulation, the fees, and how funding actually works. Let us get into it. First, the account tier structure. Envessa Markets has 5 tiers: Classic, Silver, Gold, Platinum, and VIP. And the spreads tighten meaningfully as you climb. Classic gives you a euro-dollar spread of 2.5 pips. Gold drops it to 1.8, Platinum to 1.4. And on VIP, you are trading euro-dollar at 0.9 pips. That 0.9 number matters because that is a price retail traders normally only see at much bigger brokers. So when you grow, the broker grows with you. But here is where it gets interesting. Most people, when they see a 5-tier system like this, assume the cheap tier is a stripped-down version of the expensive one. Less leverage, less protection, worse platform. Envessa Markets has thrown that playbook out. Every single tier, from Classic to VIP, shares the exact same leverage caps. 1 to 400 on Forex, 1 to 200 on indices, commodities, and metals. Every tier has negative balance protection. Every tier gets the same web trader platform with the same 160-plus instruments and the same execution model. The only thing that actually changes between Classic and VIP is the spread. So, a trader walking in with $250 gets the same trading conditions as a VIP client. That is the design choice. And that is what makes this broker worth the conversation. Now the platform. Envessa Markets runs its own browser-based platform called WebTrader, paired with a matching mobile app. There is no MetaTrader 4 and no MetaTrader 5. For experienced systematic traders, that is a problem. For beginners and intermediate retail traders, it is honestly a feature. No download, no installation, no plugin headaches. Over 20 built-in analytical tools, multiple chart types, an economic calendar, a daily market video feed. Execution runs on an STP model, which means your prices pass through to real liquidity providers. Clean, simple, exactly what a newer trader actually needs. Now the regulation, because this is where you have to be honest. Envessa Markets is operated by Prototech Online Limited, licensed by the Anjouan Offshore Finance Authority in the Union of Comoros, under license number L16168. That is an offshore license, not Tier 1, like the FCA or SISEC. So size your deposits sensibly. But here is what Envessa does that most offshore brokers do not bother with. Full published legal documentation, client funds in segregated bank accounts, a complaints procedure with a 30-day response commitment, and negative balance protection on every single tier. That is the offshore model played the right way. Fees come next, and this is where the broker really makes its case. 0 commission on every tier, including stock CFDs, which most brokers do charge per trade. The full cost is built into the spread. Deposits are free from the broker side. You only pay whatever your bank or card processor passes through. Swaps apply on overnight positions, with a 3-day swap charged on Wednesdays for the weekend. Higher tiers get a swap discount on top. The one fee to actually watch is the inactivity fee on dormant accounts, so do not leave an account sitting abandoned. Finally, deposits and withdrawals. The minimum deposit is $250 or the equivalent in euros, Swiss francs, or British pounds. Methods include credit and debit cards, which are usually instant, bank wire for larger amounts, and a range of regional alternative payment options. Withdrawals process within 5 business days, with a $10 minimum on card withdrawals. One rule to remember: every withdrawal must return to the original deposit source. Envessa Markets is one of the few new brokers that does not punish you for starting small, and that is rare in this space. Before you put real money on any broker, including this one, compare it against the alternatives on brokercheck.co. The full review is live there right now. Hit subscribe for more broker breakdowns like this one, and I will see you in the next video.